saving hundreds and hundreds of pounds, sometimes
thousands of pounds per cut.
All right, now for some real information.
So ice dams.
You wanna think about like a dam that holds back water, but make it out of ice now. Now imagine a roof. Your roof, water's not supposed to be up there, and if you put a dam on your roof made out of ice, it'll actually hold water on your roof. And your house is designed to have a roof on it, not a pool. At least most residential homes. And that's why we're out here today, to get those away, you know?
Yeah. Mischievous little fellow. Well, Jace, what are we doing up here on top of a well, I don't know, how many stories? 3, 4?
Yeah, so this roof has too much snow, and drywall's cracking. There's some serious, potentially serious problems. So we're clearing as much as we can off the eaves and edges, because that's all we can get as far as manpower goes. And then we'll show you the steamer here in a minute. Shoveling and steaming.
Here's an example of some chunks from the ice dams up there. Water running is Dawson and Jace. They're up there. They're breaking down the ice here, and it's falling down here. Those ice dams can cause pools, therefore leaks, and just a lot of trouble. So we're removing those for this guy here up on Schweitzer.
I hook up to you. Okay. You go stand on that side.
So if one falls, another falls.
Who's heavier?
I am.
Good, dude. I got a lever on.
But it's okay.
Hang on, let me dig my feet. Want me to lay on you, Chase?
You just get ready to jump on Chase.
Me?
This comes forth, we all die, but come on.
Come on. Alright, boy, I'm locked. Locked in.
Yeah?
Yeah, get it tough. Yeah, swing yourself over, dude. Put some weight on.
Alright, alright. I trust you with my life. Oh, terrifying.
Imagine you like miss the snow and then just like
Logan, are you ready to jump on him?
Yep. I got my
Fat
arm.
butt on him.
Okay, yeah, you're totally fine.
Yeah, you got me because I'm hanging.
Yeah, I got you. Let's test her out.
Dude, that's it.
Just let it slide.
I'm on it. Oh, jeez. Dude, I'm totally 100% on the harness. Oh.
What would be the first thing you yell out as you're falling?
What?
What's the first thing you're yelling out when you fall?
How could you? Ah! I thought we were friends.